Sudarshan Kriya helped them climb the Mount Everest.
मेरा नाम है डॉक्टर KR मितई. Basically, I am from Manipur and I was working in Arunachal government. So, before going to the Mount Everest expedition, luckily we met one of the senior most art of living teacher in Itanagar. He introduced me about Sudarshan Kriya. So he told us about the benefits of Sudarshan Kriya. So okay, fine. We train in physically mainly before climbing to Everest, but we need mental strength and vital capacity of our lungs. If you go to the higher altitude, you need a stronger lung capacity. So we did the happiness course before going to the Everest. That was in 2011. And we got lots of benefits. Normally people used to reach the base camp. It took 10 to 15 days. But my team reached the base camp within 6 days by doing Sudarshan Kriya every day. We acclimatize so well in that altitude. Even inside the tents, we do everyday Sudarshan Kriya. And it was a very small expedition launched from Arunachal government. And we have 2 ladies in my team. I was leader of the expedition. And one of my students, her name is Tine Mena. She was a porter with the army team. So I met her during a trekking expedition in Arunachal, last border with the Arunachal and China. So I saw her physical capabilities and mental strength during the trek. So मैंने देखा कि अरे ये तो माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ जाएगा. तो मैंने बोला कि तुम एवरेस्ट क्लाइंब करेगा. वो बोला सर एवरेस्ट क्या चीज़ है. हम बोला तुम ईटानगर आ जाओ. ईटानगर आके हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आया ईटानगर, देन ब्रीफिंग किया, माउंटेनियरिंग क्या है, कोर्स क्या करना है. देन वी स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द एवरेस्ट एक्सपीडिशन. देन साइड बाय साइड वी ट्रेन इन सुदर्शन क्रिया. तो सुदर्शन क्रिया करने के बाद physically तो we have already physical strength, then we have so much of mental strength. हम लोग का टीचर्स लोग, देन आश्रम का मेंबर्स लोग हम लोग को इतना सपोर्ट किया बिफोर गोइंग टू द एवरेस्ट. तो इससे हम लोग को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टअप हो गया कि वी कैन डू इट. तो एवरेस्ट एक्सपीडिशन वेरी टफ एक्सपीडिशन है. एंड यू हैव टू क्रॉस द डेथ जोन. डेथ जोन इज़ अबव 27,000 feet above the sea level. तो वहाँ से आपको ऑक्सीजन यूज़ करना पड़ेगा to reach up to the top and coming back also. तो by doing this सुदर्शन क्रिया हम लोग को very less ऑक्सीजन यूज़ किया and we acclimatize very well in the high altitude. तो ऐसा करके and that also the last season of the expedition कि weather was terribly bad. तो चांसेस वॉज वेरी डिम फॉर सबमिट द एवरेस्ट. तो लेकिन हम लोग के पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस था कि हम लोग कर पाएगा. तो एवरेस्ट में क्या है, एक क्लाइंबर, इसके साथ एक शेरपा होना पड़ता है, इसका बडी क्लाइंबर. तो दोनों ने इतना ऑफ वेदर का टाइम में पुश कर लिया फॉर सबमिट. तो गया, लेकिन 2 डेज़ के बाद तो वो लोग का वायरलेस सेट भी ख़त्म हो गया, बैटरी डाउन हो गया, देयर इज़ नो कम्युनिकेशंस. देन हम लोग का एजेंसी बोला सर आफ्टर 3 days विल declare as a missing in the mountain. I was so nervous. क्या करना है अभी, कोई communication नहीं है. Then after 4 days, when they reached after submitting the Everest and coming down to Camp 2, they called me from the walkie-talkie, satellite phone. Sir, we did it. तो मैं तो इतना surprise हो गया कि कैसा किया. Then it is because of Sudarshan Kriya. Then I started preparing for another Everest expedition in 2018. I trained 2 youths from Arunachal Pradesh. They are trained in mountaineering side by side. I trained them through happiness course and Sudarshan Kriya. दोनों लड़का जो है physically they are very strong and mentally भी अभी सुदर्शन क्रिया होने के बाद they have increased the confidence level. तो we have contacted one agency. They have provided the Sherpas. तो unluckily क्या हुआ था, जब they reached the Camp 3 and before reaching the Camp 4, the dead zone, avalanche struck and injured the Sherpas. दोनों आगे निकल गया. तो वो लोग का शेरपा इंजर्ड हुआ, वो लोग को मालूम नहीं था. When they reached the last camp, that is called Camp 4, they came to know that their Sherpa was injured with the avalanche. वो लोग हेलीकॉप्टर से इवाकुएट करके लेके चला गया. Then उसी रात को वो लोगों को समिट के लिए पुश करना था. That they don't have that Sherpas to guide them. कोई भी नहीं था. That was the last season of the 2018 Mount Everest. तो दोनों ने बहुत पजलिंग हो रहा था कि अभी जाना है कि नहीं जाना है, जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. Then they decided, चलो अभी जाना है, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. तो दोनों विदाउट द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम शेरपा, दे स्टार्टेड बाय 9 in the evening. चलते गया. देन वेदर का वजह से सारा रोप जो है ऑल फ्रोजन था, तो रास्ता भी मालूम नहीं था दोनों. दे आर गोइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टू द एवरेस्ट विदाउट एनी शेरपा सपोर्ट. चलते गया, रात भर चलते गया. देन अर्ली मॉर्निंग 9 AM on 24th May 2018, they reached the top of the Everest without the support of Sherpa. That is also one of the history created. And they are carrying the Art of Living banner logo. They unfurled it, they took the picture, and they're coming back. And they started sending me the pictures. So I was so happy, and I shared with one of the Chennai Mosque faculty, Art of Living faculty, and he shared with the Gurudev. And within very few seconds, Guruji tweeted the picture. He sent a congratulation message to both the climbers, Taka Tamod and Kishan Tek Singh from Arunachal Pradesh. That was the story of Arunachal mountaineers summit the Everest with the Art of Living banner. That was the most proud moment for us also. See, all the athletes, they are physically fit, but we need to train them to have that mental strength and to increase the vital capacity. आप भी प्लेयर्स है, आप जानते हैं कितना इम्पोर्टेंस है लंग्स का. तो if you practice that Sudarshan Kriya regularly, automatically your vital capacity is stronger and you can survive into the thin air. If you go higher and higher, oxygen level is thinner and thinner. So आपका survive करने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. तो you have that strong lungs capacity, then you can survive in that condition also. And your mental strength automatically comes from Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. आप रेगुलर करेंगे ना, आपके पास इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. That mentality comes to our mind कि कुछ भी नहीं होगा, गुरुदेव is there.